It's the end of the day of school.
Do what now, Mom?
I'm just gonna sit in the bed and watch you.
Dirt is surrounding the light.
So you just slowly just cross the circle.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my tools in order so that it'd be easy whenever Dad starts making them.
The little thingies with the ABCs with the blocks round.
Oh no, it's too big.
Dad, do you know where's my thing with my project?
With your Patrick?
No, project.
What project?
Like to make a bracelet. Where's the
Oh, it's on top of the, right there, where like your hair stuff is. It's right there, right up there, right on top, right there. It's just the two little things, right?
Ooh, what thing?
The little pink things that you gave me. They're right up there. Scissors.
Dad, do you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
I'm allergic to beans?
You're not allergic to beans, Mom.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I am. Like, look. I always throw up with beans. You know you hate beans. Do you hate beans, Dad?
No, I love beans. Beans are healthy.
No.
Yep.
What bean looks like?
Huh?
What bean looks like?
What do beans look like? How do you know you're allergic if you don't even know what a bean looks like?
Yeah, I know bean looks like it's brown.
Yeah, they are brown. Some are brown, some are white, some are black. But you're right.
Some are really dark and light. But I'm still allergic to beans, yeah. I'm still allergic to beans. 1 + 2 + 1, 2, 3, 7. 1 + 2 + 4 = 7. Yeah.
1 + 2 + that's right. You're smart.
1 + 2 + 4 = 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. +1 + 2 + 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See? I was right. It equals 7. Whoa!
Whoa, Mama, you're gonna hurt yourself.
I'm not.
Mama, you need to stop doing that.
I know. This is really fun.
That's from a
What's
lamp.
at the bottom? No, Dad. Dad, look. Look, Dad, what is that?
This is an ashtray.
Ashtray? What does ashtray mean? Two, 0.
Bless you.
You.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Grace, stop jumping off the bed. I mean, yes, you.
How many numbers do you know?
2 minutes
2 minutes.
and 30 seconds.
Yeah. It doesn't matter. It's how much we grow now. We hope you're so proud. Raspa is bread can be. Jambalaya. Dad, you call me, please. Okay.
Don't cover your smile.
Okay. Here's a joke. What's the chicken in the road and it can't walk in his feet because he has no feet? Okay, next question. Why didn't Amber just run away to the farm and the whole city and the Ghostmaster just scare everybody? It's their face. I'm good. That's all my videos today. But some videos I'm gonna do tomorrow. It's gonna be the funniest joke. But it's too ridiculous too. Really ridiculous. Dad, I got another joke.